Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 96. Mercury in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. For better understanding, quickly recall the characteristics of 10th house. 10th house of a birth chart is known as Karma Bhav. It is about our actions and duties. It is about our performance while dealing with people other than family. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. Do you remember? What is the name of 4th house and what is its significance in a birth chart? 4th house of your birth chart is about your life at home. It is your comfort zone, and 10th house is the place away from home and family where you have to deal with unknown people. It is like a battlefield where you have to show your skills and talent and many times have to face unpredictable situations. 10th house is about your professional life, career, position, status, authority, reputation you earn while dealing with people at professional level or social level. 10th house is also about the social life of the person. Now, what are the characteristics of Mercury? Mercury is the significator of language, speech, intelligence, logic, all types of communications, art, creative skills, analytical skills, mathematics, and a variety of other talents. Mercury is a naturally benefic planet. In Vedic astrology, presence of a naturally benefic planet in 10th house from ascendant or in 10th house from birth moon gives a powerful yoga known as Amla Yoga. Thus, presence of naturally benefic Mercury in 10th house forms Amla Yoga, indicating person is bound to get good results related to 10th house. Thus, a talented and versatile Mercury holds a strong position in 10th house. And due to the characteristics of Mercury, it controls maximum number of professions. Further, in today's technology-driven world, number of professions controlled by Mercury have increased multiple times. Person with Mercury in 10th house is blessed with good professional life. Person is intelligent, logical, creative, systematic, articulate, disciplined. As a result, person may be a mathematician, accounts expert or business analyst, research analyst or financial analyst, data analyst, investment banker or teacher, computer programmer, lawyer, language expert, author, writer, novelist, storyteller, narrator, scriptwriter, editor, journalist or speaker, translator, may have a career in fine arts or may be engineer, doctor, may work in banking sector or IT industry or in pharma industry, healthcare sector. Person may be in sales and marketing or advertising industry or may be a businessman. Person may be a singer, actor, dancer, director, choreographer, comedian or photographer or costume designer, model, or there could be many more other areas. Since Mercury controls a large number of professions and it is a fast moving planet, therefore to draw correct inferences about the profession of the person, one has to perform a detailed analysis of the birth chart. To make accurate predictions about career, also look for the following points in a horoscope: Lord of 10th house and its positioning in the birth chart. What house is governed by Mercury in the birth chart? Sign in which Mercury is placed in 10th house, whether it is an earth sign, fire sign, water sign or air sign. Planets aspecting the 10th house. Nakshatra in which Mercury is placed in the birth chart. 10th house is also seen for role of the father in the personal and professional life of the person. A well-placed Mercury indicates person has good understanding with father. Father plays active role in making the person professionally successful. Father influences the personality of the person through his good communication skills. person enjoys good relations with father. Father is also in profession governed by Mercury. From 10th house, Mercury aspects 4th house, which is also called Sukh Bhav, indicating person has easy access to all homely comforts and enjoys a good family life. Person is articulate and deals with family softly. 4th house is also called Matri Bhav. It is also seen for mother. A benefic Mercury aspecting the 4th house indicates person has good relations with mother. Mother is articulate and communicates with people softly and skillfully and provides a good support to him or her in all situations. If in 10th house, Mercury is placed in Swarashi, Mool Trikon, or is exalted, or 10th house is aspected by benefics, person is famous, blessed with a bright career, he or she may achieve professional success at an early age. If 10th house is under the influence of malefics, or if Mercury is debilitated in 10th house, one cannot expect all good results related to 10th house. Always remember, while making predictions, a number of other factors need to be considered along with above analysis. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes Session 97.